Today we are going to discuss about question number 1, exercise 14.1, probability. Observe this question. Complete the following statements. We are having 5 statements. We want to complete these statements. Observe first one. Probability of an event E plus probability of the event not E. Probability of event E plus probability of event not E. Sum of both will be what? Probability of event E plus probability of event not E. Sum of both will be what? 1. Observe carefully. Now what about the first one? Observe, we are having one event E. Its probability of event E plus probability of not event, it means E bar, and sum of both probability, this is what PE is what? P of E, probability of event E, and P of not E, what is the meaning of? Probability of event not E. Clear? And sum of both will be what? 1. So what we will fill? Probability of event E plus probability of event not E. It means sum of both will be what? 1. Clear? Second one, the probability of an event that cannot happen. The probability of an event that cannot happen is what? Once we throw a die, probability of getting 7. We are throwing die. What? We are throwing a die. Probability of getting 7. Die having what? 1 to 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we want to what? 7. Question is what? Probability of getting 7. We cannot obtain 7. Once we throw a die, we cannot obtain what? 7. So similarly, the probability of an event that cannot happen, we cannot obtain 7 once we throw a die. It means probability of an event that cannot happen is what? 0. Such an event is called what? Impossible event. Impossible event. So once we throw a die, getting probability of getting 7 is what? Impossible event. Clear? Now next one. The probability of an event that is certain to happen is. Now same, once we throw a die, getting probability of getting less than 7 numbers, less than 7 we can obtain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? So it is possible. So the probability of an event that is certain to happen is what? Probability will be what? Certain to happen. Probability will be what? 1, and such an event is called sure event. What? Sure or certain event. Sure event. Clear? This is the answer. Probability of an event. What? Probability of an event that cannot happen is, once we throw a die, probability of getting 7 not possible at all. Why? Because die having 1 to 6. So that time probability is what? 0. And that event, such an event is called what? Impossible event. Clear? Probability of getting less than 7. Probability of getting less than 7 once we throw a die. Probability of getting less than 7. Yes, we can obtain, because die having what? 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 6 numbers we are having. So this is what? Certain event. So probability of event that is a certain to happen then it is what? 1, and such an event is called what? Sure event. Clear? Next one, the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary event. Sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is all events sum is what? 1. Sum of probabilities of all the elementary events. Once we throw a die, we are getting different events. Probability of getting 1, probability of getting 2, probability of getting 3, probability of getting 4, probability of getting 5, and last one, probability of getting 6. Sum of these all events is what? 1. All events sum is what? 1. Sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment. So once we throw a die, we are getting different elementary events, and sum of these all elementary events sum will be what? 1. This is the answer. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to, observe this one, question number 5th one. Probability of event E is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. Probability of event is always greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. It means probability always lies between 0 and 1. So the probability of event is greater than or equal to, greater than and equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. Clear? So we filled all the blanks. These 5 questions are very basic questions linked to probability. Again I am revising. Probability of event E plus probability of event not E. Probability of event plus probability of not event. Sum of both will be what? 1. Sum of both will be what? 1. Probability of event that cannot happens. Once we throw a die getting 7, it is impossible event. Die having 1 to 6 number, we cannot obtain 7. So probability of an event that cannot happens is what? 0. Once we throw die, we cannot obtain 7. So then that types of the event is what? 0. And such event is called what? Impossible event. Probability of event that is certain to happens. Now probability of getting less than 7. Yes, we can obtain 1 to 6 are what? Less than 7. So probability of an event that is certain to happen, then probability is what? 1. And that such an event is called what? Sure event. Next one, sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events. All the elementary events probability sum will be what? 1. And last one, probability of event is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. So we understand these all questions. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.